Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili de arbol salsa. First, dry roast about 20 to 30 chilies de arbol in a hot, dry pan for a few minutes until they become fragrant and slightly darkened. Be careful not to burn them. Next, add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and about 1/4 of a medium onion to the pan, toasting until they are softened and lightly charred. This crucial step develops a rich, smoky flavor for your salsa. Once your chilies, garlic, and onion are perfectly roasted, transfer them to a blender. Add about 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of ground cumin. These ingredients will create the base of your delicious salsa. Blend everything until it reaches a smooth consistency. If you prefer a thinner salsa, you can add a little more water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's just right. Now for the final touches. Taste your freshly blended salsa and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add a bit more salt or a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. If you prefer a chunkier salsa, simply pulse the blender a few times instead of blending until completely smooth. This vibrant chili de arbol salsa is perfect for tacos, eggs, or as a spicy kick to any meal. Enjoy! To keep your delicious chili de arbol salsa fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 7 days, ready to spice up your meals throughout the week. For those who prefer a less intense heat, you can remove some of the chili seeds before roasting them. And hey, if you're looking for great deals and want to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.